Hello guys, I am Jonna and welcome to my channel. For today's video, gagawin natin ang Feather Eyebrow look using the L'Oreal Unbelievable Brow. Ayan, actually, napanood ko to kay Solen Yusuf recently, so gusto kong itry naman yung ginagawa niya Feather Eyebrow look. Okay, so let's start. First, i-brush muna natin ang ating eyebrow. Yan. Let's brush para maging maayos. And then, maglagay tayo ng L'Oreal.
Girl, you got me faded. Like I down the whole bottle.
Ikakalat natin.
Yeah, you walked in the room looking like a Victoria's Secret model. Throw your number in my iPhone.
Ang kagandahan dito sa L'Oreal, hindi siya madaling
I think I fell in love.
Kaya maaayos na natin yung kilay natin kapag kulang or sobra.
Fell asleep on the moon, and I'm not coming down now that I'm with you.
And also dito sa L'Oreal na to, hindi siya mukhang
confused.
pag nilagay mo.
Got me feeling like
Kapag nilagay nyo na ang inyong
and dancing with your ass
kilay,
out.
ibabrush nyo siya
You drop it down
pataas.
low. I swear you got me about to pass out, feeling tipsy every time you kiss me. Girl, you got me high. Yeah, this love we got is trippy, but it's all good. We just dazed and confused. Wake up in the morning, what the hell did we do? Took a walk on the clouds, fell asleep on the moon, and I'm not coming down now that I'm with you. If we ever wake up, don't know what I would do. Are we really in love, or dazed and confused? I'm feeling like
Alright, here's how it's going down. You, me, and your homegirl can get a little freaky in my hotel. Just don't let me catch you being sneaky with your phone, girl. That's a quick way to get dismissed. Now I hope we on the same page. But that's what I love about college chicks. I keep getting older and they stay the same age. Now turn around and let me get a peek. Good Lord, that's a miracle. But don't get too geek. Fill them sheets, that's not boyfriend material. She got a body like and a face like I got one head saying and other one saying yeah.
took a walk on the clouds, fell asleep on the moon, and I'm not coming down now that I'm with you. If we ever wake up, don't know what I would do. Are we really in love, or dazed and confused?
Ayan, tapos na tayo sa ating Feather Eyebrow look. Ayan, kung titignan nyo, at sa malapitan.
Dazed and confused. Got me feeling like
Mataas yung ating mga eyebrow. Para lang siyang simple lang, natural. Diba? Ayan. So, ayan. Tapos na ang ating Feather Eyebrow look. So, kung nagustuhan nyo po ang ating video, please click thumbs up and mag-subscribe na po kayo sa ating channel. Bye!